Welcome back to Sibos 2018. I'm Dez Blanchfield, and we are here in the International Convention Centre in Darling Harbour in Sydney, and I'm joined by Steven Dickens. Hi Steven, how are you?
Hey Dez, always good to talk to you.
Thank you. Steven, you are the Global Head of Sales for IBM Linux One. I'm keen to have you share some insights around what you're doing here at Sibos 2018 with your partner Temenos.
Yeah, fantastic, great question. So we're here at Sibos working really closely with our good friends at Temenos on their T24 Core Banking platform. So it's a perfect workload for us from a Linux One infrastructure perspective. So we've been talking, they've had me on their booth a couple of times.
You did a lightning talk yesterday.
Yes, I did.
Keynote in 10 minutes.
Oh, I try my
you
best.
Did great.
But no, it really just trying to distill down why to run that core banking platform on IBM infrastructure. And it's really for them around security, availability, time of deployment and performance. So being able to take that T24 deployment and the number of modules and suites that they've got and get that into the market quickly, right. But then when you've delivered it, be able to do it securely and with performance.
Now Temenos have been around for quite a time. They've got a substantial number of installed base already. You did quote a number before. What sort of scale have they got? Was it like 1,000, did you say, or something?
No, so Temenos are absolutely...
They're massive.
They're the key player in this market, whether you look at the Gartner Magic Quadrants, whether you look at number of clients. I had the pleasure of being out at their event in Dublin earlier on this year. You know, they've got 3,000 clients in 100. 3,000
wow.
clients in 150 countries. So it's not aggregated in the US or the UK. They've got global deployment.
That's frightening at scale. From the Temenos point of view, put yourself in their shoes. What are they looking for people to get from this event, with particularly in the context of the IBM Linux One partnership?
Well, they're seeing the market be disrupted by fintechs, tech fins. They're seeing disruption coming through from the gamification of the interface through the mobile phone primarily or the web. So the banks that are here at Sibos are really sort of struggling to handle that disruption. And the Temenos perspective is we're digital to the core.
Right.
How do we enable you to not only handle and partner with those tech fins and fintechs, but also handle that digital disruption that's happening? So Temenos, with their very innovative model, the amount they invest in R&D and where they're driving their client base, enable their clients to go on that journey with them, and we're very proud to be part of that with Linux One.
Fantastic. Well, it's been an exciting couple of days so far. We're halfway through the event. I'm looking forward to the next couple of days. Before we wrap up, IBM Linux One and Temenos in particular, where should people go to find more information? So
obviously the Temenos booth up on the fourth floor if you're here. The IBM booth down on the first floor, F22 if you're here. IBM.com/Linux One if you're looking to engage with us, or Temenos.com. And obviously get in touch with me on Twitter. Plug for my Twitter ID at Steven Dickens 3. I can connect you to all the right people.
Fantastic, and definitely do that. So IBM.com/Linux One for more information about that platform, what it has. Some great case studies on what they've done already on existing clients, and some insights on what can be done for future-proofing your business, particularly around what you're talking about with mobility and mobile banking. And Temenos.com, great stuff in there, some great videos and insights on what they've already done for existing clients, particularly stories around what they're doing with IBM and the Linux One platform. And as Steven Dickens says, it's Steven with a V, Steven Dickens. Ping him on LinkedIn or Twitter. Throw your curliest questions at him, he loves them. Thank you for catching up with me, Steven. It's been great to chat with you.
Always a pleasure, Des. Always a pleasure.
And with that, we'll wrap up. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for joining us. We're at Sibos 2018 here in Sydney. I'm Dez Blanchfield. Appreciate your time.